How to make baby shower website on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website on squarespace.com. So it may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to create an account or log into your account on squarespace.com. As you can see, I already did it. I'm in my account. So next you just need to click this white button, get started, and choose what type of website you want to create. So basically, as we are making event website, basically because baby shower is kind of event, we need to type here uh, event, or you can type it like party, whatever you want. um, Event planning, I think that's what we need. Next, what do you want to do with your website? Basically, purposes of your website, you need to choose them. Uh, Sell memberships or send invoices. I guess we need it. Get appointments, maybe. Uh, promote an event or project. Publish or blog or other media. Maybe you want to publish something about your party. Collect donations, maybe. And I think that's all. How would you like to start building your website? You have two options here. You can choose from a curated set of professionally designed website templates, or you can build a custom website guided by Squarespace Blueprint AI. To be honest, guys, I'm not a big fan of artificial intelligence, that's why I'll pick this one, browse templates. I really like to work with templates. And here we have events templates, and all you have to do now is to choose the best template, the template that you think is the best for you. Uh, Also here, types. For example, if you don't want to have a blog section in your website, you can unselect blog, or maybe you want to have a portfolio. You need to select portfolio, so feel free here to manage stuff about your website. um, so for this video, I think for this example, as an example, I'm gonna choose this one. Also, I can change sample color presets here, but later I'm gonna show you how to change colors more accurate. Now I'm gonna start with this design, and while we are waiting, uh, by the way, gonna tell you that squarespace.com is the best option to create your website, because you don't need to know any of programming languages. You just need to use website to create your own website. That's why I highly recommend you to try squarespace.com. But now we need to create site name. So for an example, just I'm gonna name it like this. And some tips, we don't need them, can close. So here you can see menu, and you can manage some stuff about your website here. For example, you can manage products and services, but when we are making event websites, we don't really need it. Content and membership, and voicing, donations, scheduling. uh, but firstly, you need to check the pages. You can add some pages here, or you can delete, for example, this page. You can add new page. You can manage page settings here. Also, you can change site styles here. You can change themes, fonts, colors. As I told you, you can edit colors more accurate right here. You can edit any color. and choose any color. So let's move on. Let's start edit this website. Click this button, edit, and now you can edit almost everything here. First of all, I think we need to work with this text. You can move it, you can change the size, you can edit it. So just select this text like this, and you can delete it. Whoa. So yes, you can delete it, but I won't do this because this text is fine. We need to change this text basically. This is about graduation. We can join us in baby shower event. Maybe for example of Mary. You can write whatever you want basically. And also you can change this background because you know, you can put your picture right here. To change it, you need to click this button, edit section, background here, and you can click this button, replace, and upload file from your library, from your computer, and use your photo right here easily. Also you can move this button, you can delete this button, you can add a new button right here. This button here, add block, thanks to this function you can add anything you want: text, image, video, audio, form, basically whatever you want, any content. And also you can delete the whole section. For example, this section you can delete it, remove like this, and you can add a new section. Click add section, and here you can have a, for example, intro section or about section, or you can easily add a blank section. And let's for example edit this section. You can add a color because kinda boring, just white. You can do it like this, for example. Obviously change the date and time, for example like this. And as I already showed you, you can change this picture, replace it, or you can just delete it and add a new one like this. Or you can, not using image, you can just use a background, for example, edit section, background. Like this, and you can delete this, and now you have beautiful nice section with the information about the date and time, and beautiful background about event. And basically need to edit this. Type whatever you want here, and don't forget to save changes as frequently as possible, just to not lose your changes. And when you are done editing your website, you need to publish it basically. And if you want to publish it so anyone can see it, you need to upgrade your account, select a plan, simple prices, only pay for what you really need. And when you're done, when you are selected, you will get publish button instead of this subscribe button, and you will be able to publish your site very easy. So basically, I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.